and it's good too because you see how fun this is. Everybody like has ever wondered how do you check the oil on a dry sump car? Don't mistake yourself and go dump oil there because you can't see the oil because you're gonna blow your car up.
So dry sump, like explain kind of.
My watch out.
Explain kind of what the dry sump, the
Okay.
process of you doing that.
Okay, when you have like a regular oil system on the car, you can actually go in and check, and you're gonna see what it is, right? Because you got the oil stays on the pan, and on the dry sump, when you shut the car off and it goes down, everything just goes all the way to the bottom, so it doesn't stay up here. So that way you can take turns a little more spiritually. Race car stuff, my friend. I'll explain more about that stuff later. It's pretty deep.
Perfect.
Because she's a twin turbo car, right? I have to check this a little bit more than a regular car.
Right.
See, but I do need oil. I know where it's supposed to do, where it's supposed to be, but I don't know if you can catch that, but see, like it's right here. It's supposed to be in between those two little holes.
Oh, gotcha. So it's like low.
Yeah, but that's the trick. You cannot just dump oil until you get up here. Now I gotta do the whole process.
Gotcha.
I'll show you guys how cool this is. I gotta start the car up. I gotta warm her up. And I wrote it down because I always forget. So you got two ways to do it. You got the manual way and you got the fancy tacky way. But I like the manual way better just because you don't need to rev it and get everybody mad or whatever.
Right.
You know, like.
Neighbor proof.
Yes.
So that's another thing we're going to get into on this video in particular. Like, what has been your, reliability experience owning a twin turbo Murci? Like,
it's a UGR, okay? Twin turbo Murcielago. So it's 1600 horsepower on the crank.
okay.
To the people that don't like that I say that, 1600, I love it. I'm always gonna say it, okay? Just be with me. Don't give me any hate. 1250 wheel, you can say that. Like some people like that better. I like the big number. It's there, okay? The difference is, to go to the wheels on a four-wheel drive car, you lose 25% of power. So if you make the math about 1580, 1579, 1590, it's 1600, okay?
Right.
Put me for the compensation there. I'm the rest of the I'm kidding, good job.
So have you always had it with the UGR kit, or did you
Yes.
put the UGR kit on?
I always had with the UGR kit. I got the car, I can tell a story on this because I got the car from a very good man, very good a person that kind of like inspired me a lot, a friend. I can call him a friend. I bought him for 4 months straight. We went back and forth. Another video, another story.
A long story.
The car, okay, never really got drove with the kit on because they were always having glitch on, like because you've got a dual clutch, carbon to carbon on the thing, like a dual carbon to carbon clutch on the car, and it's very heavy for the car. So you need to know how to set and reset and all that. And I believe people, they usually buy this, they don't care, they just want to drive. I'm with them, but I'm connected with those things.
Right.
I love them. So I drove the car for 15 minutes. She went in limp mode. That was it, my friend.
That's been your only like fault, so
That
to say.
was my fault, but that fault took me a year to figure it out.
Did it really?
Yeah, but I didn't mind because for me, learning, it's what life is about. And you should too. You take the hate out of the way, start fresh, okay?
I like that.
You learn, brother. You learn, and you're gonna get it done. Don't give up. Stop taking people's opinion. Do what you think you should do and keep moving
That's
fast.
killer. Oh my.
Não falo inglês.
Oh my. You know we were trying to film, right?
I didn't get my beauty sleep yet.
How you doing, man?
What's up, bro? Good. It's good.
How you doing, man?
I'm good.
How you feeling?
I feel great.
Huh?
I feel great.
Feeling
I'm all
good?
over the place.
Feeling that chest?
Yeah.
Demolish him at the gym yesterday.
So what are you doing?
I'm gonna start and let it run.
Here we go.
Are you ready? Button is like you're in the house.
There you go. Oh boy. Yeah, you know it.
Fire in the hole!
Uh-oh. Watch out.
No, I keep the dipstick in. And I'll put the oil on your, you know, and then that goes straight there. It works. Trust me, it works.
Did these cars come without sarcasm? Or the drivers? Did the drivers of these cars come without sarcasm? Only with.
Got it?
That must be a Brazilian thing.
Hey, I know like most of the people know this, but do you know that you can do this with that's why the can is shaped that way, the little bottle, because so you don't drip it, you go that way when you go so you don't make a mess with your engine. So if you didn't know that, you're welcome. Yeah, but if you learn the secrets and like if you're really willing to study some, you're gonna have the most amazing car on the planet, man. No other car makes you feel what this car does. And that's period. You can say whatever, you can go faster. Not really, but it's a joke, okay?
So
I
what
know
do
it's
you...
fastest thing, lots of fast cars out there, but this is just the feeling, the noise, the shifting, the everything, the fire, the experience, the looks. That makes a modern special.
So what do you say to everybody that believes, or the vast majority of people that believe that Murcies are just completely unreliable and not...
My real opinion, it's because I'm so sorry, but they haven't been on one, or they haven't been around them enough. If you go first gen Murcies, yes, you're gonna have more problems. LP Murcies, just make sure the car is good, okay? You have to service those cars. You have to make sure the oil is on the right spot. You have to. It's not a question. You have to learn how to drive it. And you're gonna have the most amazing car on the planet, but it has to be an LP.
Gotcha.
Period. Or a manual. Or it's just because it's a altogether better car.
Mm-hmm. You think that'll be it?
They're gonna be close.
Like if you were going by Gators, everything.
Probably that will do it.
There we go. So you think this is good?
I think it's good now. See,
Sure.
look, this is like living with a Murcielago, loving the car, and do what you can to see right there.
Oh yeah. That's it.
What do we say with a situation like that?
Perfect.
Lambo whisper, my friend. Haha.
Boom.
Boom, she bang, she boom.
Time to go beat the shit out of it.
Because otherwise it's hard to get.
Okay. This is actually...
Always. Butt first. Garage door. gears are so tall that there's no way to push that thing.
Wow.
Right? And you gotta, to punch on this, you have to be straight. Be smart, okay? Don't try to highway, and then that's the only way that you can actually do this. It's no, you do it, you don't want to hurt your car, you don't want to break anything, you know what I mean? At least I am that way.
On an island in the shade, the city is on fire. Kissing water from
And it handles like
Oh, it handles.
incredible. Oh my god, dude. You see the camera just rock? Oh my god.
No, but the beauty is 10%. I am not
That was-
kidding. I cannot, if I punch it, I'm just gonna burn my tires.
That was 10%.
Yeah. It's that insane, bro. And look, this car is on a low settings too. I got no race feel, no nothing. The way he does it, it's incredible. Because the car, well, it's a boost by gear, right?
Okay.
So the faster you get, the faster the car goes. The high gear that you at, the more boost you have, and it keep rolling out like just like that.
So, what do you think, like on a all-out pull? How much? What's the PSI that it's producing?
Bro, I never went through this because I love what Kevin does. I really do, and I respect him a lot, underground racing. But I never got to talk to him. The customer service that just doesn't work.
Right.
You know, and so I don't. I did some stuff that I wanted to do to get more power, a little more power out of it, right? But I can't tell you for sure, and I'm not gonna lie. I just know that I've been in fast cars. This is stupid fast.
I'm still just like mind blown. Like I'm speechless after that first pull.
Do you know what is the coolest thing ever? I feel like that every time I get on that car and I remember everything that I went through. You know, put a goal in your mind, dude. You can do this. Okay? I'm a Brazilian guy, bro. I've been here 20 years. I worked my ass off. I've done everything. We can tell all about. Go watch the channel, subscribe, like, share to everybody that you know, and let's kick ass. Let's make it happen.
For those that, we haven't really done much of an introduction to this channel yet. So basically, we started this channel. Antonio's got the cars. Of course, we have cars to make videos with and to go drive. But really, we want to make this more than just another
channel. It's a channel, but we want to motivate everybody. And I told Dylan, I had many people offer me or ask me if I want to do this kind of stuff, and I said no for one reason. I'm not gonna act. I'm not acting. This is me. I'm your friend. I want to motivate you over there. Okay, like everybody else that comes in front of me. If you're sad, I want to put a smile on your face. You can do whatever you want. It's that simple. Okay, put it in your mind and do it. And Dylan, he's chill, man. He goes with it, and we connected. He's a really good kid. He's going after his dreams, and we're gonna make it happen together for you guys. I can do this all day. I'm playing, and my goal, besides the cars and teach you guys to a thing or two about very expensive exotic cars and passion and racing and what you like to do, motorcycles too. I want you guys to be motivated, and always remember that you can do whatever you put your mind into.
Oh my god, that downshift. So before we start really hauling ass, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to this, because we're going to be posting videos like this and better than this all the time. So thank you guys.
See how jerky?
Oh my gosh, man.
But then I'll let off. I take her time,
Yeah.
And I don't like to punch it hard, because how beautiful is that, bro?
Wow.
Listen, watch. again, look, just so you guys can hear.
Like, you see, like, watch, if you go back and watch the footage, like, as soon as he lets off the gas both times right there, like, I'm pretty good at holding cameras, you know, steady in cars. My hand is just going everywhere because it's so torquey.
And the beautiful thing is, I'm not even doing nothing. I'm not punching it.
No.
You know what I mean? That it's to me, it's a beautiful thing. To some people, it's scary, but it's just, it is what it is. That's nothing.
Wow.
Oh, look at my princess.
Later, come review running.
Watch the car. I love you. I'm gonna put the car, then I'll come say hi, okay? See guys, this is what life is all about. You don't forget things, your family, your friends, you know, like motivate them.